Welcome back to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest car news, in-depth reviews, and everything on four wheels. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. Audi has officially unveiled the next generation 2026 Audi S8, and it's nothing short of spectacular. A blend of performance, luxury, and innovation, the new S8 sets a bold standard for premium sedans. Starting with the design, the 2026 Audi S8 boasts a more aggressive yet refined look. The front grille has been reshaped to be wider and bolder, framed by sharp HD matrix LED headlights with digital DRLs. The rear features a seamless OLED light strip that adds a futuristic touch. With its sportier stance, sculpted lines, and a choice of new color options, this S8 is designed to turn heads. Under the hood, the new Audi S8 is powered by a re-engineered 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. It delivers a staggering 621 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, allowing the S8 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The engine is paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip and performance in all conditions. But the 2026 Audi S8 is not just about raw power. Inside, it's a sanctuary of luxury and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium Valcona leather with contrast stitching, featuring ambient lighting and fine wood or carbon inlays, depending on your trim choice. The dual 10.1-inch front touchscreens are now even more responsive, with haptic feedback and a new interface. A third screen handles climate control and seating functions. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, comes standard, along with an optional heads-up display with augmented reality navigation. For audiophiles, there's an optional Bang & Olufsen advanced 3D sound system with 23 speakers and 1,920 watts of power. In terms of comfort, the 2026 S8 comes equipped with predictive active suspension, which uses front-facing cameras to detect road imperfections and adjusts the ride in real time. Rear-wheel steering and adaptive air suspension make it equally nimble and smooth, whether you're cruising through the city or carving through mountain roads. Safety is also top-tier, with features like Adaptive Cruise Assist, Intersection Assist, Night Vision, and Audi Pre-Sense 360. The new AI-based driver assist system can even take over stop-and-go traffic under certain conditions. As for pricing, the 2026 Audi S8 starts at approximately $132,000 in the US market, with fully loaded models reaching up to $150,000 depending on options. Audi has announced that it will be available in dealerships worldwide by early 2026, with pre-orders already open in select markets.